That is the border of Mexico. Those are the Madras del Carmen Mountains of Mexico, and a small notch you see over here. This notch, this area, it's called the Baculas. It belongs to Mexico, and this long plateau sort of structure is called Sierra del Carmen. It's also in Mexico, but this one small thing you are seeing out here, this one is the Sierra del Carmen of the United States of America, and in fact that's actually the El Pico. It's not the Sierra del Carmen, the one next to it. This one is the Sierra del Carmen, and this one is the El Pico. Both of these belong to US, and that's what you are seeing is the road that we are going to take till the Rio Grande village. So that's like the international boundary between Mexico and United States. Someone's trying to give a commentary about the geographical boundaries between US and Mexico, and this is what is actually how I told how my geography becomes so good is based on this. You see this? That's how it becomes so